if you want to open apps in the pop-up view on a Nothing phone for A or for a Pro, what you can do is you can simply open the app that you wish to use in the floating window mode. And then you can go to Recent or the list of background apps. You can tap on the app icon above the preview, and then you should be able to find pop-up view. And there we go. Now we have our app. We can drag it around. We can also grab by the corner, the bottom corner, in order to resize. We can also minimize and completely close the pop-up view, or you can just resize it all the way to the full screen, just like that. Besides that, if you use gestures for navigation, then you can swipe from the bottom towards the top, and then here, as you can see, we have this little field where it says that we can drag and release here for pop-up view. So this works for every app that supports the pop-up view. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.